Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I won't.
Halo guys, assalamualaikum, sampurasun. Balik lagi dengan saya Dadi di channel Bun Bun Pancing Official. Salam sahobi guys. Selamat pagi, siang, sore, dan malam kapanpun kalian menyaksikan video ini. Semoga kalian semuanya sehat, bahagia, dan selalu beruntung tentunya ya. Nah guys, kali ini saya berada di Kabupaten Bandung, di Banjaran, tepatnya di Kampung Panyindangan nih. Saya di sini diajak ya oleh Kang Peri. Kang Peri itu selaku pemilik pemancingan Sagara Fishing Family. Nah buat kalian yang mau ke sini, tinggal cari aja di map Sagara Fishing Family. Naon cenah Kang Dadi bet kudu ka dieu. Nah, ka dieu guys. Tiket 100, lapak 50 genep lapak, mantapnya. Terus di sini juga ada musola, toilet, toko umpan, dan sedia juga paket botram guys. Kalau buat kalian yang mau booking, cenah Kang sekalian usir saya mah jeung paket botram, aya pokoknya gitu nya. Nah ya guys, sekarang saya akan menggunakan umpan Bapak Udang, umpan 3000. Kita pakai lomba di sini nih. Kita tanya-tanya dulu aturannya, tiketnya ke Kang Dani selaku pengelola. Oke guys, ayo guys. Halo Kang.
Ya,
Sehat?
alhamdulillah.
Sareng Kang Dani tanya.
Sareng Kang Dani.
Mangga Kang ayeuna jelaskeun sabaraha tiketna, hadiahna, sareng sajabdina lah.
Ya, perkawis tiket mah relatif murah kan dibanding umpan balong sanes mah. Minimal 2,5 ke atas,
iya,
minimal 100, tiket 100, terus kanggo juara ka hiji 700, juara kedua 400, juara katilu 200. Terus aya indukan pinggiran oge bade patungan indukan ieu juaraan misah mangga sistem arisan. Terus abinya nyadiakeun kawalapak oge gitu nya. Parkiran lumayan luas lah, luas. Masih terus di-upgrade soalnya.
Sip.
Ya, sakit we di pusat.
Sakit we di pusat, meureun aya eta kenceh kumaha kenceh?
Kenceh mah paling maksimal 3.
Kenceh maksimal 3,
ya.
Single fighternya.
Single fighter. Kerja bawa sendiri.
Sip. Udah komplit guys, pokoknya berarti saya sekali lagi ya kami ya. Mengajak sahabat Bun Bun Pancing Official dimanapun berada untuk datang ke sini ya Kang ya. Kita mancing bareng, silaturahmi bareng guys. Oke guys, kita langsung yuk racik umpannya. Mantap. Guys, nih umpan kukusnya udah jadi. Saya menggunakan Bapak Udang ya di kukus. Nah, buat kalian yang baru menemukan channel ini, jangan lupa ya di subscribe. Ya, oke. Buat kalian juga yang penasaran, umpan bun-bun pancing sudah tersedia di Shopee guys. Toko bun-bun pancing, langsung aja dicek out ya. Ayo kita ngeracik.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine, living life with the noose and in my mind, all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. Ha, I agree, but you did and I hate her. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 Hey man, can I get a favor? Yeah, sure, hot, no, see you later. Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta wash down the top 40s with a chaser. Your voice starts feeling like a waiter. Scraping my mind against a cheese grater. Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright, I'm aware of the danger. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine, living life with the noose and in my mind, all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they say to never date her. Ha, I agree, but you did and I hate her. You wanna get away?
Farel Bandung
Go another day of
47
got a lot to say, can't hold it in
Bun-bun pancing 52.
Nah guys, untuk pertama kalinya nih bun-bun pancing ikutan lomba. Peserta 56 lapak. Banyak yang komen ngiringan lomba cenah Kang. Tah ayeuna lombanya. Ayo guys.
Pak Guru, ya Pak Guru.
transaksi pembelanjaan. Tambahkan juga 1 undian untuk setiap transaksi minimum Rp250.000. Ada grand prize 1 unit mobil sepeda motor, smart TV 50 inch, smartphone, lumayan, mesin cuci, dan masih banyak lagi. Makanya jangan sampai ketinggalan ya, acaranya gratis dan terbuka untuk umum. Info lebih lengkap follow Instagram @location_textile.
Kita pilih cowok dan cewek buat nemenin kamu aktivitas seharian.
Pokoknya udah ada sejak tahun 1986, jadi udah pasti terpercaya. Gak cuma itu, kamu juga bisa nikmatin promo cuci gudang sale all item up to 70% mulai tanggal 26 Juli 2023. Menarik banget kan?
Tunggu apa lagi? Dapetin promo menarik sandal, sepatu dan tasnya cuma di Tias Shoes and Handbag Sederhana nomor 9.
Nah guys, alhamdulillah nih mancingnya saya udah beres tadi. Meskipun saya tidak juara, tapi alhamdulillah umpan saya dimakan guys. Masih ada strike ya. Nah buat kalian yang mau kesini, datang aja ke Kampung Panyindangan atau hubungi kontak pengelolanya, nanti saya cantumkan deskripsi. Buat kalian yang bingung, di sini langsung aja searching di Google Map Sagara Fishing Family ya. Nanti kalian bakal langsung dituntun ke sini. Oke guys, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Strike guys. Strike.